Imagine betting everything you own on a dream that could either make you a hero or leave you broke. That's exactly what Elon Musk did. He didn't just survive, he changed the world. But how? Stick around to find out. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, where we dive into real stories of guts and glory. Today, we're talking about Elon Musk, the guy who turned wild ideas into reality. Born in South Africa, Elon always dreamed big. As a kid, he read books about rockets and tech, and by his 20s, he was starting companies. First up, in the late 1990s, Elon co-founded Zip2, a software company that helped newspapers go online. He sold it for over $300 million. Wow. Then, he jumped into online banking with X.com, which became PayPal. That one sold for $1.5 billion in 2002. But Elon wasn't done. He poured his money into two crazy ideas: electric cars and space travel. By 2004, Elon invested $6 million into Tesla, a startup aiming to make affordable electric cars. And in 2002, he put $100 million into SpaceX to build reusable rockets. These were huge risks. Most people thought he was nuts. But things got real ugly fast. Let's start with Tesla. In 2008, the company was on the edge of collapse. They were building their first car, the Roadster, but delays and money problems hit hard. The global financial crisis made it worse. Investors pulled out, and Tesla was burning cash like wildfire. Elon, as CEO, had to loan the company $55 million of his own money. He was sleeping on factory floors and skipping meals. Meanwhile, over at SpaceX, it was even tougher. Their first 3 rocket launches in 2006 and 2007, total failures. Boom! Explosions in the sky, millions down the drain. NASA laughed it off, and critics called SpaceX a joke. Elon was down to his last $30 million, and failure number 4 could end everything. Think about it. At this point, Elon's other companies were failing too. He was divorced, stressed, and facing lawsuits. One more flop and he'd be broke. But why keep going? Because Elon believed in innovation. He said, if things are not failing, you're not innovating enough. So he doubled down, risking it all on one last SpaceX launch in 2008. The pressure was on. If this failed, his dream of space travel was dead. Tesla wasn't much better. In 2010, they barely avoided shutdown, with Elon selling his fancy houses to keep things afloat. He faced ridicule. People said electric cars were a fad. But here's where it gets epic. That 2008 SpaceX launch, it worked. The Falcon 1 rocket reached orbit, and suddenly, doors opened. NASA gave them contracts worth billions. Fast forward to today. SpaceX has launched thousands of satellites, carried astronauts to the International Space Station, and even landed rockets back on Earth for reuse. It's revolutionized space travel. Tesla turned around too. They launched the Model S in 2012, and sales exploded. Today, Tesla is worth trillions, and electric cars are everywhere. Elon's risks paid off big. He's one of the richest people on the planet. From the brink of ruin to global icons, Elon's story shows how one bold move can change everything. And the rewards, not just money, but real impact. His companies are fighting climate change and exploring Mars. So what's the takeaway? In a world full of doubts, innovation and risk-taking can lead to unbelievable rewards. Just like Michael Jordan's comebacks we talked about, Elon proves that failing forward is key to greatness. If you're chasing your dreams, remember, take the leap. Thanks for watching. Hit like, subscribe, and see you next time.